Hi everyone, welcome back and I hope you had a good weekend. This is going to be a really quick video just telling you exactly what you need to do in today's media lesson. So last week you looked at a couple of websites, read.co.uk and Indeed, in order to find jobs that utilize the skills that you have acquired in this course with Photoshop and Adobe, etc. Hopefully you've done that, and if you haven't, that's your first task. Get onto read.co.uk and get onto Indeed, find some jobs that utilize the skills that you have used and pop that into the bottom of Portfolio 4. So hopefully your commentary looks something like this, and I'll send you a copy of this particular document, which is an example document that's been sent to us by the exam board. So this person has found this job for a web developer, and they've explained why they thought they would be useful at it, because they have a similar sort of experience using the software which is appropriate. And they've explained that in the commentary, and this is the job description here. So hopefully yours looks something like that. Again, if it doesn't, go ahead and just amend your work slightly now so you put some more detail into it. So today's task is a research task, essentially. What you will, or what you may or may not know already, is that there's two sorts of jobs or roles that you can apply for when you do go out into the creative or media industry, or any industry at all. One is a permanent job, like this job here, so you know that you're going to get £25,000 a year for this job. It's a permanent job, and at the end of that year, that's what you'll get paid. However, if you wanted to be a little bit more flexible, you could be a freelancer, and that's what we're going to work on today. About 25% of the workforce in the creative sector is freelance, as this person has said here. So what I need you to do today is work out what does being a freelancer mean. You may not have come across the term before, so today is going to be your opportunity to explore this large sector of the industry. To get you off on the right footing, it essentially means that you can go and work for a number of different companies. You are your own boss, and as opposed to being employed by one company, you can go to work for different companies. So you might go and work for the BBC one week, then you go and work for ITV another week. So that sounds great, doesn't it? Because you can have flexibility and creative freedom. Also, you can potentially earn a bit of money. But there are some disadvantages as well, like this person has set out here. You don't know potentially where your next paycheck is coming from. You don't have any employer benefits. Often you're working by yourself. There's a few more things that this person has put down here. So your task today is to make a table like this with your research about freelance roles. What are they? What are the advantages of them? And what are the disadvantages of them? So in this section of your table here, you're going to tell me an example of freelance roles. Just the job title is fine. Then give me the advantages, and then give me the disadvantages. You can use some of the words from this document here if you wish. Pause the video and go ahead and use some of the terminology. But essentially you're creating a small document which is called Working Freelance in the Interactive Media Industry, a small introduction about the two different sorts of employment, which is permanent and freelance, and then this table here. That should take you your 45 minutes and no longer. Any questions, as usual, you know what to do. Let me know. Good luck.